Today we're creating a 4-cheese pasta, but really, in my opinion, it's like a mac and cheese on steroids.
Pasta queen, the queen.
It takes 20 minutes. Let's go over the ingredients. Butter, Parmigiano, Provolone, Fontina, and Gruyere cheese. So, these are the ones that I have today. However, you can mix and pick and choose the cheeses that you love. The secret is cutting them, melting them. And we're gonna go into this procedure and I'll show you how to do it. We got butter, heavy cream, some amazing mint we're gonna use to decorate and also flavor, right? And a scrunch of pepper. Now, this pasta is quite quick. The sauce takes 15 minutes. So get your water on, start boiling the water, and then proceed with your sauce. Dice the cheeses about the same size. As soon as it melts a little bit, we add the other cheeses. The next are the Fontina and the Gruyere cheese. Okay, so we added Provolone, Fontina, Gruyere cheese, and now we let it melt gently, mixing it on a very low flame. Water is boiling, salt goes in. Today I use the provolone. Some people use mozzarella. Some of these cheeses can cause this melting effect, which I really like. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It really depends on the cheeses. But yeah, the provolone will give you this beautiful melting effect, which just creates that kind of sumptuous. You can add milk or heavy cream. Today I'm using heavy cream because it's got a little bit less lactose. And it has to be room temperature. You don't want to cause too much of a difference in temperature when you put it in. See, all of it together and the heavy cream just made it all nice and creamy and smooth, and cooking it all together. Now, when it starts solidifying, you will get that melting effect, but that's only when you serve it and your guests are standing and looking at you and they're like grabbing and going, oh my, what have you created? I keep my little friend, the nutmeg, right? This is a little secret I put in, okay? A little scrunch of nutmeg. Now, you see how beautiful this is? It's the perfect creaminess. And that wasn't supposed to be happening. Come on, little nutmeg. Oh, between the smelly cheese and the nutmeg, good Lord. A couple of things. Number one, keep it on a low flame. You want it to cook slowly and gently, mixing together with the heavy cream, creating something spectacular. The nutmeg is optional. However, nutmeg gives it a little bit of a twist. The Parmigiano, you're gonna see, I'm gonna add it right at the end when the pasta is ready, with a little bit of pasta water, full of starches, which is gonna make it just perfect. You have to be careful with this recipe, not over salted, meaning don't add salt to your sauce. The cheeses are already very salty. You want to make sure that also your pasta water is not over salted, because the condiment, this sauce, it's gonna be nice and salty. So you might want to adjust based on your taste. You see, this is just perfect. Creamy, it's got some consistency. It's not too watery, it's not too thick. And you know, the moment you mix it with the pasta and you finish it and you serve it, make sure you eat it right away, but it will give you that extra like little melting effect when you pick it up as soon as it starts solidifying a little bit. I love mint so much. I'm even shopping some and sprinkling in, if that makes any sense. And you see how simple, 15-20 minutes, I made this mac and cheese that is next level. And the best part, you can pick any flavored cheeses you like and combine them so that you can make the mac and cheese custom made to your own flavors and taste buds. And you see, this is how it looks. It's just delicious, perfect, gorgissimo, just like you are. Just gorgeous.
The Queen.
Sprinkling. Bruno. Where's Bruno? Hello? Try to escape me, huh?